Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started talking about sentimental clutter and how it holds you back from being your most confident self on camera, go ahead and download the checklist that we have below. This is a 21-day guide to looking great on Zoom, looking great on FaceTime, or just even in your family fall photos. This is the same strategic guide that I use with all of my celebrity clients. Now let's go learn about self-image, sentimental clutter, and how that affects our worth and confidence on camera.
Sentimental clutter, things that you keep in your wardrobe out of an obligation. Sentimental clutter is huge, okay? We feel like we have to keep this because it made us feel amazing at one point in time. But we've lost or gained 10 pounds since that made us feel like $1,000,000. So we keep thinking that we need to keep that in our closet in case we lose 10 pounds or in case we gain 10 pounds. If we need to keep it. Just hold on to it. But every time you look at that in your wardrobe, there is a particular component called obligation. When you look at that in your wardrobe and you have to meet a certain criteria to be able to wear that item, you feel obligated, like you are not meeting your own expectation. There's an obligation or a condition that you have to meet that you are not currently meeting to be able to wear that garment. Get rid of it. If you want to either lose or gain 10 pounds to be able to fit your healthiest weight, when you lose or gain those 10 pounds, you will be a different person on the other side of that. So let's just take weight loss, for example. If you lose 10 pounds, you are now the person, you are a person that had 10 pounds to lose, and then you were a person that lost the 10 pounds. Here is where, like with that weigh-in date or whatever, when you meet that goal or whatever it is, you are a different person. So give yourself the grace to be able to wear a different style that new person actually feels like $1,000,000 in. So when you do lose that weight, you will want to feel like $1,000,000. You won't want to be wearing clothing that you no longer feel like $1,000,000 in. If you've ever gained 10 pounds and then lost 10 pounds, you know that your body may not be the same even though you're at the same weight. Were you working out more? Are you more firm in different areas? What is going on in the chemical composition of your body that helped you lose those 10 pounds? Because that changes how you feel. You lost that weight, or if you've gained that weight, you deserve to feel like $1,000,000 at whatever weight and whatever size you're in today. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if you've put on 150 pounds. You still deserve to feel like $1,000,000 right now. And if you have clothing in your closet that is keeping an obligation or keeping you in this, like, I have to lose this to be able to be this person because then I'm worthy, then you have a daily reminder of an unmet expectation of what you believe your worth should be. Like, I'm only worthy if, or I can only wear those dress clothes again if we go back into office. Well, wear them now. If you've gone from working in an office to working at home, and you've gotten really lax, but you don't feel like $1,000,000, start wearing the clothes that make you feel like $1,000,000.